Adjectives ending in ing and ed. Sometimes this is confusing. Okay, so do you say, for example, I am confused or I am confusing? I am interested or I am interesting? I am bored or I am boring? Okay, so this depends on the relationship between the subject and the object, as the example here. So the story interests or interested me. The story here is the subject, as written here in the green, and the verb interests or interested, this is the verb. The object is me. So to help you use the right ing or ed adjective to describe the subject, the story here, okay, we use ing adjective of the verb interest. We are describing what the thing itself is like. So we write the story is or was interesting. Okay, the story is or was interesting. So the story, the subject, and we use is or was depending on the verb here. If the verb is present, you are going to use is. If the verb is in the past, interested, we are going to use was. And also depends on whether the subject is plural or singular. If it is plural, we say the stories interest or interested me. So here you are going to say the stories are or were interesting. So we are describing the subject here and or what the thing is itself is look like. And to describe the object me here, we use ed adjective of the verb interest. We are describing our feelings or emotions. So we write me is going to be the subject. We start the sentence always with the subject. I am or was interested because I'm describing the object, which is me in the story. We are using am if the main verb is interest, present, or using was if the verb is in the past. And here the object might be, for example, the story interests or interested Fatima instead of me. So we start with Fatima. Fatima is or was interested in the story. So am or was, as I said, depends on the verb, whether it is in the present or in the past. Okay, another example. The story interests or interested the students. The students here is plural and it is the object of the sentence. So we start with the students and we use are interested in the story or were interested in the story depending on the main verb. It depends on the verb whether it is in the present or in the past. So I think this might help you to do the exercise in lesson 12 grammar. You'll find this on page 107, exercise C. Exercise C. So go and do the exercise as homework. Thank you.